What's one product you bought that turned you into a total snob? Like, you can never go back to the cheap stuff. 1. A second monitor. I can't go back. 2. Good solid footwear. 3. Honestly, real butter. As a kid, we were a country crock house. My husband's family was a real butter house. Life changed when I had it on warm bread the first time. 4. Maple syrup. The pancake syrup that goes for 1/10 of the price is so disgusting. 5. High quality sheets, they make such a difference in your sleep. 6. Good olive oil, I saw someone putting it on ice cream. 7. Polarized sunglasses. Used to waste money on cheap sunglasses that would break easily but decided to buy one pair of well-made polarized sunglasses. Had them for about 5 years and haven't looked back since. 8. Really good tea. It is not that expensive but so much better than that stuff you get in little bags at the supermarket. 9. Toilet paper. 10. Having heated seats in my car. Never again will my arse be subjected to cold. I won't have it. 11. Airport lounge access.